first person to meet Srila Prabhupada was the Coast Guard off the Boston Harbor. Srila Prabhupada was on the deck of the Jaladuta and he waved at the Coast Guard. And the man waved back at Srila Prabhupada. 4 years later, he became a devotee. His name is Chiavana Swami. Srila Prabhupada had spent his entire life in a lifetime of preparation to fulfill the orders of his spiritual master, to spread Krishna consciousness all over the world. The first person that he glanced upon was this Coast Guard. And this glance imbued the person with so much Krishna bhakti that he became a devotee of Krishna.